I'm going to now walk you through the different types of ad campaigns you can create and when you would use each type. So, in the Ads Manager, we're just going to edit this campaign to see all the different types of objectives. Let's start at the top. So we have brand awareness and reach. These are actually not used as frequently. For example, brand awareness will put ads out there and it will measure it based on whether somebody will recall seeing the ads after 48 hours or not. And reach will give you, as it says, reach. So most of the time, people are not using these different types of objectives. They can be very helpful in the beginning when you are trying to raise literally brand awareness and get that out there. And if your budget can afford it, I do like to allocate a little bit to awareness, a little bit to value. And I'll show you what I mean by that as we go through these, so that you always have something running. But this is most of the time people are not using this as part of their main bread and butter for Facebook ads. So you may want to run it, like I said, $2 a day if you can, to always keep it going, just to help lift everything else up. So traffic is actually what sends link clicks to a page. And there's two options. You can optimize it for link clicks, meaning people who are going to click the link right into the ad, or you can optimize it for landing page views. Landing page views is when people stay on a page for a continuous 15 seconds. And this can be helpful, especially in testing. I'm going to include this in the tips of the pro tips below, but I use this quite a bit in testing, and especially if you have a brand new offer. So it's another one to try. Now, app installs, obviously that's to install an app if you happen to be, that's what you're actually doing. A lot of people, I think, don't do that. I would expect you to be running traffic or conversion ads, but just so you know that it's there. Video views. So remember we created those warm audiences in the beginning of the different types of videos people are watching and how long. You can create an ad campaign that specifically looks for people to watch videos. So for example, I may do a Facebook Live, and then after I'm done, I can edit the post of the Facebook Live, and then I can include it in a video view ad and ask Facebook to send this to people who will watch my video. You have an option to basically say through play, which is 15 seconds. They used to have 10 seconds and they just deleted it a couple of days ago, I believe. So the only option you have right now is for through play, and it'll try and get it in front of people who will watch at least 15 seconds of your video. And that's what you can optimize for. You can't optimize for watching 100% of your video. The most they're giving us right now is 15 seconds. So you run that, and if you can, always have a video ad running with your brand awareness ad, just to kind of mix it up so you're getting the audience of people who like to watch videos. But you will be able to see in the stats and the reporting how much people have watched: 25%, 50%, 100%, etc. Now, lead generation is interesting. Lead generation sends people to a form right inside of Facebook, so you don't even need to create a landing page with a separate form on it. What it does is it allows you to create a form that's attached inside your Facebook page, and when people click on the ad and they want to sign up for it, Facebook will pre-fill in the information that it has for them on file from Facebook. So what happens is the theory is you may get more people signing up simply because they're probably on their phone, right? And they don't have to type in everything all at once. It's already pre-filled in for you. You can definitely add other questions that you would like, that you want them to fill in, but that's one of the benefits. And then Facebook does have some integrations built in so that you can have this information go straight into your email marketing system, or you can use Zapier or something like that. Many different options for that. Some of the pros and cons of that is, yes, it's very fast. But some of the cons can be sometimes when you use lead generation ads, because it's so easy for people to complete the form because they're not actually filling in and typing in themselves, that sometimes the leads are not as great in terms of responsiveness after they fill out the form. So you just have to kind of test it out and see what works for you. It all depends on the target market, the offer, how badly they want it, etc. But when you're doing, for example, appointment setting, this could be very powerful to use for that.